MMAT Stock Metamaterials Inc. is showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. In this session of the 14th of November 2022, it gained 29.0%, and some market participants have been calling for a short squeeze, and the short interest is currently at 11.02%, and the off exchange volume figures are at 51.37%. So the folks here at Investor Place are saying that the November 9th, that is a Thursday, Wednesday, the November 9th, the company disclosed a mixed shelf filing worth of $250 million that may have, maybe according to them, may have taken the steam off any possible shorter squeeze. But at the same time as well, they're also reminding us that the stock has been on the strong bullish, rather has been, over the last month or thereabout, it's been extending bullishly since sometime in early October. Yes, that's owing to the fact that the company signed a memorandum of understanding with DuPont Staging Films, and Mitsubishi Electric Europe. Though through the agreement, Metamaterials will provide its plasma fusion technology to reduce reliance on copper in lithium-ion batteries. As a result, reduced battery weight will increase the energy density and range of batteries. The memorandum of understanding will last for several years, starting with a pilot scale roll-to-roll system. So that's some fundamental news mixed with some technical news. So well, what we have been able to see is that indeed, yes, the stock is showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. In this post-market session, it's down 1.19%. So coming back to this chart, we have been able to plot a Fibonacci grid from this resistance it had at $2.82 sometime in January this year, and brought it all the way down to where it is currently, or rather where it closed for the session of the 14th of November. So given all of that, we have that we have upper projections of 1.96, and we also completed a manual projection of 1.94. So that is pretty much on point with this 1.96 projection. Outside that, we have 2.12, 2.26 to a couple of they all bunched up between 2.12 and that resistance of $2.8. So, but at the same time as well, we have also determined that the probability based on the 200-day moving average, or over the next 200 trading sessions, the probability of it holding this sort of level, this price of 1.69%, is not very high. It's at 84.85%. So the probability that it will drop below $1.69 is very high at 84.85%. And if you also look at the 50-day moving average, the probability that over the next 50 trading sessions that it will also hold this $1.69 it closed at, is 96.99. The probability that it will drop below this 1.69 over the next 50 trading sessions is also quite high as well. Yes, indeed, the stock is quite volatile, and we have seen a couple of rejections just slightly below it. So statistically, yes, it lends to that, and I don't know, maybe something might happen from the short squeeze end, but if there's this clamor for short squeeze and other stuff, so it will be of great interest to market participants, and it'll be so volatile, and it will be spiking and all that stuff, so statistically, there's every chance that maybe it might correct, statistically, and you can see the 200-day moving average is one of the most significant supports it has there. It got a support there sometime this month of November. Got a support there. As a matter of fact, just moved sideways, trading around just slightly above it. So it's offering support there. So, but like I said earlier on, the probability of it dropping below 1.69 looks very, very high. So upper projections once again 1.96 or 1.94 as we computed manually, all the way up to $2.8, but statistically it is, there's every chance that there's going to be some corrections, maybe not falling below the 200-day moving average, since it rose above it. Let's find out when it rose above it. When it spiked above that 200-day moving average, it was on the 3rd of November. That was when it rose above it. Since that time, it hasn't fallen below that moving average. So as such, it is showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. So fundamentally, things are looking good. The company is a fancy small company doing its best, interesting the big players in the industry and all that stuff. You can going by that that memorandum of understanding it has with DuPont Staging Films and Mitsubishi Europe. So outside that, I have not done a full due diligence of its fundamentals, but just going by this, it looks quite promising. But statistically, things are pointing to a volatile case for MMAT and a possible correction, a possible pullback from $1.69, which was where it closed at right now, and roughly where it is at right now in this post-market session. So MMAT stock showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. See what you make of it. Just be really careful. If short squeeze occurs, it will be the price will be here and there, and all that stuff. So you know how it is already. So thank you very much for watching this video.